Hey guys, so today's video is gonna be a eyeshadow tutorial. This is a recreation that I did. I saw this photo of a makeup artist. I think she's based out of London. She posted one of her clients and she did this really pretty, I'll insert a picture, she did this really pretty like reddish brown eyeshadow with blue on the lower lid, and I just thought it was so cute and I was like, I have to redo this for my channel, like so poppin'. So yeah, so her name is Bernicia, I think. I don't quite know how to pronounce her last name, but her first name is Bernicia. She's pretty popular on Instagram, I think, so you might have seen her page before or seen her work or whatever. So yeah, so that's pretty much what we're going to be getting into today. So if you want to see how I did this look, you know, get in there. If you want to see how I did this, just keep on watching. Good. So I did my brows already off camera and I'm about to start doing my eyeshadow. So the eyeshadow palette I'm going to be using today is Morphe. This one is a 35-0. Let me just show you the colors there. So a lot of nice warm red colors, brown, gold. Find a blending brush, a blending brush. It's like I get on camera and I can't talk for some reason. Use like this orangey brown one right here. This one here. I'm going to use that as my transition color. I'm just going to start applying that. Let me turn this light on. I'm just going to keep applying it until I'm happy with the color. Alright, so the next shade I'm going to be applying is the one right underneath it. This one right here is more of like an orangey red color. I'm going to put that like in my crease and I'm going to start to put it on my lid also. So for this, I'm going to take a brush that's a little bit smaller but still fluffy, and I'm going to blend that down. I'm going to start first like in the crease area, blend it in with the transition color, and then I'll just work my way down. Today is December 22nd and I really cannot believe it. Like, we're about to be in a new year. Now I'm thinking about like what my plans are for next year. So you guys can leave me comments. Let me know what your goals are, if you have any for next year. And if you could sum it up in one word, what would it be? For me, I want 2019 to be all about diligence. You know, I wanna work hard, and I want to start to see some of the seeds that I sow like come to fruition, you know, things you've been like working on for a long time. You want to see it kind of pay off a little bit, right? So for me, that would be like my business, my career. I'm going to be going back to school next year, so that's exciting. I want to see my progress. I want to be actually able to, you know, to feel it. I want it to be tangible, because everything is in my head right now. Like, I want to actually be able to reach out and touch it and see it. So that's my thing for next year. But yeah, diligence. I just want to work hard, and you know, I want to earn all the blessings that I have coming my way, because I know they're coming. I know they're coming. I'll tell you right now. Anyway, okay, this is good. So I'm going to finish the rest of my face and then I'll do the under eye. I have here, I'm using the LA Girl Glide Gel Liner. It's like an aqua blue color. This one is called Mermaid Blue. So I'm just going to apply it. Why am I dropping everything? So I finished that and I'm just going to use an eyeshadow to set it. So I'm going to use this little blue color right here. It's the only thing I can find right now. I'm just going to take it on like a flat brush and place it right on top of the eyeliner. Then I'm gonna take like a small fluffy brush. Fluffy. Fluffy. I can never say it right. What the hell? Alright, a little brush. I'm just gonna like blend it down a little bit. The only thing with doing it in this order, you have to be careful when you're blending out the concealer under your eye. So I'm going to use like a small brush so I can really get in those little spots. Yeah, just start blending it out. So I'm pulling it down instead of going up so that I don't get it like all messed up with the eyeliner. See? Oh! Did you see what I just did? Oh my god, I have to fix that. Sometimes I just be like, why me? Of all people. Why me of all people? So today I'm going to be using these lashes. These are 3D silk lashes. They're from my collection. This one is called Princess. It's pretty. It like flares out at the end. Real cute. This is so pretty. Yeah. These are the ones. So I'm gonna use Nutmeg. This is NYX. It's like a reddish brown color. Use NYX. This is the Intense Butter Gloss. It's in the shade Peanut Brittle. Yeah, I know I have to get my pictures, okay? Alright guys, so this is my finished look, and I think I got pretty close to what I was trying to recreate. So I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a pat on the back, okay? So let me know if you guys like how this recreation turned out. I think it's really pretty. I think it's really pretty. So if you like it, leave me a heart, leave me a comment, you know, do whatever you do. Share this video with a friend and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Also, I want to wish everyone a happy holidays, happy new year if I don't get to upload again before the year is over. I wish you all the best as you enter 2019. I hope it's a year full of love, prosperity, and you know, just all things positive. So yeah, I just wanted to say that real quick, and I love you guys and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.